guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a set of recruitment updates from Wipro. Also, we'll be seeing a recruitment update from Vicent Technologies. So the first set of recruitment updates that we are going to see is from Wipro. And if you're interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So let us see the recruitment updates from Wipro first. The first update is TA contract employee. So this is actually a recruitment happening to the talent acquisition team. So they are conducting a bulk hiring to the talent acquisition team. So you'll be working in the talent acquisition team and you will be hiring people. That is the nature of job. The location is Hyderabad. So they have given the job description here, handling end-to-end recruitment. So you'll be actually conducting the recruitment process. You'll be hiring people. You'll be sourcing the candidates based on the client requirements. That is the nature of job. Okay, sourcing the candidates through job portals like Naukri, Times, and Monster. So you have to go to multiple job sites and you have to look for people and source the candidates according to the client requirement. That is the nature of job. Okay, so they're actually hiring more than one people. So if you are interested, you can definitely try for this job. The qualification they have mentioned here is graduate. Freshers are eligible here. Okay, so all the freshers can try here, and year of pass out doesn't matters, and also 5 years can try for this job. Okay, so the roles and responsibilities also they have given: manage the team efficiently, meet set targets as per the recruitment plan. So this is a recruitment process, or you'll be actually working with the recruitment team. And you have to be a part of that. You have to source the candidates as per the requirements of the client. That is the nature of job. Okay, so if you're interested, just click on this apply now icon. This is the latest update only, so please to apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, the next update is for production specialist. Nowadays Wipro is hiring for production specialist role for multiple locations. This is for Gurgaon, and here they are actually asking minimum 1 year of experience. So the qualification requirement they have mentioned is graduate from any stream. You can be a graduate that is from BCom background or BTech or BSc. Any graduate is eligible here. You need to have a very good competency in Spanish language. If you are having knowledge in Spanish language, you will get preference. Other than that, you need to have a good command over English language, good communication skills, written and verbal. Also, you need to have minimum 1 to 2 years of experience. Okay, so that is the job role, and that is for the post of production specialist. And the third one is again a customer service or BPO job. The location is Noida. Here again you need to have minimum 1 year of relevant experience in BPO sector. Only then you can apply. Okay, customer service representative, location is Noida. So these are the three set of updates from Wipro. If you are interested in any of these updates, I'll be putting the links in description. Please go to the links and apply for whichever post that you are interested in. Okay. Hey guys, there is an exciting news about Geeks for Geeks platform. So you can get hired with Geeks for Geeks and there is a chance to win exciting rewards. Okay, so you can actually find your dream company here. Many big companies like Amazon, OnePlus, etc. is hiring through this platform, which is called Geeks for Geeks. And there is again an exciting news that you can get a chance to win an Amazon voucher for various job roles if you are getting selected. So you will get a job. On top of that, you will get some rewards also. Okay, so they have actually given the details here. So if you are getting placed in any of the companies as an intern, you will get a 1,000 rupees Amazon voucher, and if you are getting selected as fresher, you will get 2,000 rupees Amazon voucher. And if you are having an experience range from 6 months to 3 years, and if you are getting selected to any of the job roles, you will get 3,000 rupees Amazon voucher. And if you are having more than 3 years of experience and if you are getting placed through this platform, you will get a Amazon voucher of 5,000 rupees. So this is an exciting news. You will get a job. On top of that, you will get some rewards also. So please make use of this. Please see the link which I'll be putting in description and get hired and also get rewarded. The next recruitment update that we are going to see is from Vicent Technologies. So there is a fresher hiring happening. So this is a grad hiring for the locations Bangalore, Mumbai and Pune. So this is software engineering hiring and engineer hiring. And the The requirements they're asking is minimum 0 to 1 year of experience in core Java programmings with collection, framework, concurrent programming, multi-threading, etc. Okay, so if you're having a knowledge in that, you can clearly apply. Also, all the freshers are eligible. 0 to 1 years of experience means if you're a fresher, if you have studied Java basics in your college or in your as a part of your curriculum, you can definitely try here. Okay, so all the BB Tech candidates, BSc, MCA, MSc, all the programming language related, that is, if you have studied some programming languages, especially Java, then you can definitely try here. Okay. Other than that, they have mentioned strong written verbal communication skills, then some programming language knowledge in Java, good experience in database. So if you are interested, you can definitely see the link which I'll be putting in description. This is a recruitment update from Vicent Technologies. If you are interested in applying, just click on this icon which is called apply, and then you can see an application form. First you have to upload your resume, and then you have to fill up the application, that is the personal information, and also you have to share the LinkedIn profile details here. That is, you have to share your LinkedIn URL and send the application. Okay, so that is the application process. If you are interested, you can please see the link which I'll be putting in description and apply for it. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Keep on watching.